Welcome back. This is Daniel Parsons. I'm Prife International independent business owner, and I have a quick update for you about the USA Black Friday promotion sale. Today is Black Friday, and now until Monday, the 27th of November at just before midnight Pacific time zone, you can buy. Now let me go on screen share and I will show you the image. And let's go entire screen share. And what I want to do now is go to the image. And there it is. Okay. So here are your terms and conditions. Get 2 iTeraCare Classics, one with a pen, one without a pen, for $599. And you get a free 7 Wonders water jar included. Okay. Now, your terms and conditions. This promo is open to USA members only. Promotion period runs 16th to the 27th of November, midnight Pacific Standard Time, 2023. Prife International reserves the right to implement amendments without prior notice. 4, must be shipped to the same address or you will pay additional shipping fees. Now, the shipping is included if you're getting the 2 classics at $5.99, and they will include that 1 7 Wonders water bottle. So I want to go off of screen share and come back to you, and just want to give you my inventory. And I'm honoring that Prife International sale. I am an independent business owner. I joined the company January 2022. I have developed one of the largest teams in the company, thanks to all of you who put your trust in me. And so we are global. I can get other bonuses when they run for other parts of the world. And if you're interested in the business side of Prife International, I can teach you that also. I do have a strong downline that is active. We just got back from New York, and we were able to visit some of our customers and team members while we were there. And so I just want to give you my inventory. I have right now 5 or 6, actually 6 of these classic red blowers. I have 1 iTeraCare Premium ready. It's just like it came to me, so it's never been used. And I have 1 iTeraCare Pro, and I've kept the pens and all the documents inside this bubble wrap, just so that when you get that, you're getting it just like it was delivered to me from the distribution centers. So I've got 1 Pro in stock. I will meet somebody halfway. If they're in the Seattle area, I can meet you in Olympia, because that's halfway for you, halfway for me. And I could do same day on that iTeraCare Pro. It is a $3,800 investment. However, that Pro will last you many years. It's warranted for 1 year, and it has incredible features. If you're a practitioner, or if you just want to have the most powerful terahertz therapy device on the planet, call me 360-383-0265. Pacific time zone, weekdays, Monday to Friday. And that I'll drive you and halfway drive to Olympia and meet you in the state capitol offer is good until we go on our Christmas journey to South America to be with my wife's family. And then when I return to the States, I will offer that again if I still have a Pro in stock. Now, The other devices, they will ship same day that you make payment from my website, iTeraCareHealthBlower.com. And anywhere else in the world, when you order, as soon as the company has their daily maintenance upgrade, and the server in Malaysia, which is right now, it's 8 o'clock in the morning on the West Coast, 11 o'clock in the morning on the East Coast of USA and Canada. That's when the server updates. Just as soon as that finishes, anywhere else in the world, I can get the stockist to ship your products. So there's only like a slight lag in time for processing. We are very fast. And I also have 2 of the negative ion pendants in the beige color. And these are your personal little air purifiers. When you travel, I highly recommend having these. And let's see. I also have 4 of the 7 Wonders water jars now in stock. I've got some extra water cartridges also, which you need to change those, that produces the hydrogen, antioxidant, the really alkaline water in the 7 Wonders water jar. I've got those cartridge filters changes. So that's all of my inventory: 1 premium, 1 pro, 6 classics, 2 negative ion shields, and 4 7 Wonders water bottles. And so I also will be having a team business building recording shortly. We're working out details with one of our leaders. So this is Daniel signing off for today. That's our Black Friday deal. And on Monday, I just want to give you a heads up. I'm an early bird. So if you try to call me at 11:30 on Monday night and try to get that promotion, I'm sorry, I'm already in bed. So Pacific time zone business hours weekdays. And so you could go to iTeraCareHealthBlower.com and you could write me, but I won't be able to have the ability to do that promotion after Monday, the 27th. I would say 6 in the evening would be the Pacific time would be the last that you'd be able to get that from me. And so that's just being reasonable. We all have our business life and we have our personal life. We have to set boundaries. So I wish you a blessed holiday season, whatever it is you believe in and celebrate. And here's to improving your wellness with the wonderful TeraHertz wellness technology. Oh, I almost forgot. I do have a brand new Bio Lite still in the original box, and that's $1,300, which is the smaller version of the full-scale iTeraBio foot massager. That's $4,500. I don't have that model in stock, the full-scale one, but I can get it ordered anywhere in the world. But I do have one of the iTeraBio Lites foot massagers for $1,300 on hand here in Washington State, ready to go to you. So happy holidays, and I look forward to working with you in Prife International. God bless you. Bye for now.